I am ArchVisualizer. From a blank white screen to a living space, lines turn dreams into time and place. Sketch to model, light to life, every render tells a story of design. Laptop open, nights go long, camera angle, shadows strong. From plans to pixels, brick by brick, I build the future, one frame quick. No fancy schools, no heavy fees, just skills, passion, and creativity. If you've got vision, stay right here. This journey's real, no filters, no fear. I am ArchVisualizer, turning thoughts into space. From 2D lines to 3D dreams, I design, I light, I trace. I am ArchVisualizer, render life, feel the vibe. Architecture, 3D, studio life. This is my world, this is my tribe. Projects right here, no shortcuts, no fake flex show, just real studio life behind the glow. Camera rolling, vlog on set, client deadlines, zero regret. Interior mood, exterior sky, one render at a time. I fly, 15 years in the design game, same passion, same creative flame. If ArchViz makes your heartbeat rise, welcome to the channel, open your eyes. Visualizer, from concept to final frame, helping creators learn it free, not selling dreams, just skills and game. I am ArchVisualizer, light, texture, depth, and tone. If you love 3D and studio grind, you're not alone, you're home. Just renders on a screen, it's a creative life, raw and clean. Zishan aimed at documenting the way, learn, build, visualize every day.